Hello. Hello. Hey, right here, come on. Yummy. Well, hello there. Welcome back to another video. I basically just woke up. I filmed all that little morning stuff. I don't know, I thought it might be cute. But today I think I am just going to clean and declutter my house and take you guys along with me. I don't know if this type of video is even that interesting, but it's like the kind of thing that I enjoy watching, so hopefully other people do as well. I've just really been needing to declutter. I need to go through my closet, my boyfriend's closet, get rid of some clothes. We already have a bunch of clothes that have been in bags that just have sat around and I haven't actually taken them anywhere. So I need to actually just get it all out of here and try to donate it today, and just some cleaning along the way. Gotta do laundry, some dishes, whatnot. But I think these kind of videos are like satisfying to watch, so hopefully you get the same out of mine. And that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna sit here and enjoy my coffee, because that's what I do every morning. And then we'll get started. Are you interested? What? Why are you crying? Hmm? Oh my goodness. Have to give you attention? Alright, so since you last saw me, I got ready, obviously. For being honest, it was probably just me procrastinating because I don't want to do this, but I really need to do it. So, hi. Hello. Every time I get ready, he thinks I'm like leaving or something, so he always attacks me for attention. I'm not going anywhere. Alright, so in front of me I have 3 bags of clothes that I meant to get rid of a long time ago, but they've just been sitting in the house collecting dust on top of them, so that's great. But basically I ordered a thread up clean out kit, I think that's what it's called. And I need to, basically I'm going to go through these clothes since they've been sitting around for longer and see if anything seems like they might take it. And then I need to go through my closet again and probably get rid of more. But we're going to go through these first and see if there's anything I'd rather give to them instead of just donating. And then donate the rest. So I need to actually read this. We accept clean, freshly washed. From a name brand, on trend, less than 5 years old, in excellent condition. Jeans, shoes, activewear, handbags, outerwear. Don't accept missing labels or sizes, pilling or fading, missing or broken parts, tears, rips or holes, stains and odors, shrunk, stretched, or altered formal gowns, fur, or other specialty items. Okay. Alright, this is, whoa, that's a big bag. That's a big bag. I actually don't know if I have any name brand stuff. Well, this is Loft. I actually got this from a thrift store. It's got the size and tag. I mean, I think it's cute. Cute little dress with paw print on it. Maybe I'll donate or give that to them. Maybe they'll take it. Who knows? Let's see, there's this shirt, which is cute. I don't know if it's Banana Republic, small. Probably take something like that. Just so you know my thought process, I don't know. Striped little, I don't remember what these necks are called. With these kind of necks, but it's pretty basic and name brand and has the tag and all of that, so they might take something like that. I don't know if this is name brand or not, but yeah, I don't know. But you know what, I'm just gonna send it to them anyways, because it's might be something they can take. Alright, we'll put these back in here. So that's that whole bag. There's 3 things in there that they might take. And we'll donate the rest to that bag. Next, I might take these. These are actually Levi's. I meant to learn how to use my sewing machine and make these into skinny jeans, but that never happened, so I'm just gonna get rid of them. But they might actually take some of that. I mean, they're definitely probably over 5 years old, but I don't know. Let's see, what are these? BDG. Oh, Urban Outfitters brand. Probably send these to them as well. I think this is H&M coat, so they might take something like that. One thing is, like, all this stuff's pretty old, but I don't know. Like, how do places even determine how old something is? Or do they just say that because they want it to be, like, trendy? I don't know. Well, that's that bag. We'll put these back in here. Now we have... Are you enjoying yourself? Mm-hmm. You're so cute. This is Forever 21. They might take something like that. It's really cute. Honestly, you barely know why I'm getting rid of it. Oh, it's because it's white. This is Forever 21 too. Let's put those in there too. So now I just need to go through my current stuff. I'm sure I have plenty of shoes and other clothes I could get rid of. Determine if they can go in here to go to ThredUp or if they just need to be donated. So let's do that. Okay, so I went through my shoes, and these are the shoes that I'm getting rid of that I don't wear anymore, pretty much. So I do have a pair of Vans that I think are still in pretty good condition. It's a name brand, right? And the size is still readable. They are covered in hair. So I think I'm going to send these to ThredUp, and we'll see. I think they're cute and in decent condition. I just don't wear them anymore. I have other pairs of Vans that I wear more now, so putting those in the ThredUp bag. And then just ones that I think I can just donate. I have these two pairs of boots that I just don't really wear anymore. I want like a different style of boot now, so I think I'm just gonna get some new ones. So I'm gonna donate these. They're not like a name brand or anything really. I mean, as far as I know, I don't know. But they're in decent condition. So I think I'll just donate those. And then I have these flats that I don't really wear anymore. They're definitely a little worn, but they're not terrible, so I think I'm just gonna donate them. And I just don't wear them anymore. And then I have these super old pair of shoes that I pretty much just kept around as like a quick shoe to slide on if I had to go outside for a second. But they're disgusting, so I think I'm gonna have to throw those. I think I'm just gonna have to throw them away, unfortunately. They're pretty bad. I don't even think they're good enough to donate, so I'm probably just gonna have to throw them away. Same thing with these sandals. I love these sandals. I still think they're really cute, but I looked at them a little more closely and they're actually disgusting. So I think I'm just gonna throw them out as well, and I'll just have to get some new sandals. So that's pretty much it. That's all my shoes that I went through, and now I have to go through the rest of my clothes. So this is my pile of clothes that I'm getting rid of. I'm just gonna go through them, and if I decide to send anything to ThreadUp, I'll explain my thought process behind that. So I don't know if this is name brand. I've never heard of it, but I think this dress is really cute, and it's actually in really good condition. So I think I might just send it to them just in case. So I'm gonna put that one in the ThreadUp. I think I'm gonna give this one to ThreadUp as well. I don't know how old it is, but it's American Eagle, and I think it's just a really cute, like, basic t-shirt. It's super comfortable and soft. I'm gonna send it their way, just in case. I do have this Old Navy shirt that they might take. It's just a white button up with like palm trees like embroidered on it. I haven't worn it very much, so I think it's in good condition, but I'm gonna send that to ThreadUp as well in case they want it. I think that's actually all I'm gonna be able to send to them. I do have these American Eagle shorts, but I don't really know if they'll take them. Like, I mean, I roll them up, but I don't know if they'll want them since they're like ripped on the bottom. I don't know. Maybe I'll just send them anyways. If they don't take it, they'll probably just donate it anyways, right? So, alright, and then all this stuff we're donating. I have a couple t-shirts that I am donating. And that's everything. I am done going through all of these clothes. Yay.